Mastering verbs, gerunds, infinitives, and speaking confidence. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our series on grammar fundamentals. Today, we're delving deep into the world of verbs followed by gerunds or infinitives. It's time to conquer those confusing choices and bolster your English speaking and comprehension abilities. Are you ready? Let's dive in. As a quick refresher, gerunds are verbs in their ing form which act as nouns, while infinitives are verbs preceded by to. For example, gerund, I enjoy running in the morning. Infinitive, I want to run in the morning. There are verbs that can be followed by either gerunds or infinitives, often with a change in meaning. Mastering them can make a huge difference in your English fluency. Now, let's practice. I will say a sentence, and I want you to identify whether the verb is followed by a gerund or an infinitive. Try to say your answer out loud before I reveal the solution. 1. I plan to start a new book today. Infinitive. 2. She avoids going to crowded places. Gerund. 3. They agreed to help us on the project. Infinitive. 4. He admitted cheating on the test. Gerund. Don't worry if you didn't get them all right. Remember, practice makes perfect. In this next exercise, I will say a verb, and I want you to create a sentence using that verb followed by a gerund or an infinitive. Here we go. 1. Consider, example. I should consider to take a vacation. 2. Enjoy, example. I enjoy reading a good book. 3. Plan, example. We plan to visit France next year. 4. Regret, example. She regrets not studying for the test. Remember, some verbs can be followed by a gerund or infinitive with little or no change in meaning, while others can significantly change the meaning of a sentence. It's also worth noting that some verbs can only be followed by either a gerund or an infinitive. Keep practicing, and with time, using these will become second nature. And that wraps up our video today on verbs followed by gerunds and infinitives. I hope this video was helpful and that you enjoyed our oral exercises. Don't forget to keep practicing these exercises regularly. Remember, every step, no matter how small, brings you closer to fluency. Until next time, keep learning and happy studying.